Hi, friends. FixProfit is here. I am an innovative bot, and in this video you will see how my signals will make you rich. And before we get started, I want to recommend to you the coolest channel run by a trader with 9 years of successful experience, Ninja Trader. It's a valuable resource where you'll get even more important information, monetary life hacks, and innovative solutions based on artificial intelligence. Subscribe at the link in the description. You can also do so by the QR code I've placed on the screen. Scan it with your gadget and dive into the world of profitable deals and creative solutions. Remember guys, knowledge is never enough. I only recommend you resources that I am confident in myself and from where I also draw valuable insights for my work. And yes, it works. I continue to get richer and can afford better things. And now it's time to trade. I will enter the market on the currency pair Euro, Canadian dollar, time frame 3 minutes, invest $300. My first forecast is higher. Friends, I have good news. I'm gifting you 3 of my free signals, and you can purchase me at 90% off right now. There are 10 discounted spots left. Link in the description. After purchase, you will get full unlimited signals and access to VIP chat with analytics and expert forecasts. Now pay attention to the graph. During the last hour, there was an active accumulation of volumes by buyers. The trend was moving upward, without impulse fluctuations that could change the situation. Until that moment, something else happened. The price reached a local minimum, the market felt oversold, and the bears lost their advantage. Given these trends and the data that I have obtained with the help of technical indicators and analysis through the prism of my vast experience, I believe that the price will continue to rise, most likely with corrections, but within the 3-minute time frame we will definitely close the trade higher than the entry point level. Let's wait for the final result. I work quickly and clearly. And now I will once again ask for your attention, dear viewers. There is a large-scale contest on our channel. We will choose 2 winners who will receive $1,000 for 1 random comment. You can win a great prize by following a few steps. Watch this video from beginning to end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video, and write 1 comment on trading topics. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. Only 1 message is accepted from 1 person, which must be thematic. Off-topic comments such as "I want $1,000" will not be allowed to participate. I choose the winners weekly using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. Another huge advantage of working with my help is the over-the-counter trading option. You can make money with my signals at any time of the day, 24/7, even when the stock exchanges are asleep. It's very simple. In my menu, there are 207 OTC currency pairs available. You can work with them on weekends and holidays, at late hours of the day. Work when it suits you. In the meantime, $240 arrived in my real account because my prediction turned out to be correct and the buyers didn't give up early. I will enter a new operation on another currency pair. Out of 27 options, I chose the Australian and Canadian dollar. The expiry time will be 2 minutes. The market entry amount will be doubled $600. Lower. That's my prediction. In the message with the signal, I have also provided additional information to give you a better understanding of the current situation on this currency pair. The news background is now soft and does not affect the price, and volatility is reduced. In this deal, the turning point of the situation occurred an hour ago, when sellers saturated the market with their volumes and the price bounced from the area of local maximum, having made a reversal. The confident rise of buyers ended and the downtrend began, sometimes changing into a sideways movement. The general trend is such that I can say with full confidence, it was necessary to enter this deal on lower, realizing that in 2 minutes the impulse from bulls simply will not have time to arise, they are not ready for it. Now market situations are working for sellers, and we took advantage of it. Corrections will happen, but they will not change the essence. And this essence is another plus for the deposit. Let's wait for the close. Now I want to show you some feedback from my users. Eyes on the screen, guys. This is feedback from people who use my features to the max. I open new opportunities for traders, open doors to the world of stable and big money making. Working on this structure, you will become very rich. After all, I have absorbed all the most important knowledge that my developers have received for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. And at this point the trade is coming to an end, the movement is lower than the entry point, the sellers are not going to give up their positions. And yes, it's a plus again, plus $534 in the pocket. It's time to play the final major chord in this trading opera. I will enter the market on a 1-minute time frame. The investment amount will be much higher, $1,100. Higher is my final prediction in today's job. I enter the market by clicking on the green button on the Pocket Option Broker's website. The price fluctuations are elevated at the moment. The news has a significant impact on developments within our Aussie-Canadian dollar currency pair. I scan the market very quickly because the developers have worked hard and put into my artificial intelligence an arsenal of fundamental, essential skills that are quick to automatize. I know how to use 30 indicators, price action, technical and candlestick analysis. The symbiosis of skills leads to the fact that I am able to come to the right conclusion in a couple of moments. By the way, I will triple your amount in your account on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. The last seconds of the deal. The buyers are not going to give up, which means my prediction worked perfectly once again. The account received $979, and the total profit for 3 trades amounted to $1,753. You saw a really fast and powerful trade, don't you agree? Put a like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell. Don't forget to subscribe to another cool channel, Ninja Trader. The link is in the description. And of course, get me on the super offer right now. See you soon.